Imagine waking up to this view every day. There are so many great properties in Tuscany on the market right now, and we absolutely love this one. This beautiful, renovated stone townhouse is located in a characteristic historic centre on the hills of Bagni di Lucca in Tuscany. It's in a breathtaking panoramic position and is in move-in ready condition. It's being sold fully furnished and is on the market for an unbelievable €100,000. This 140 square metre home has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with a wonderful sun terrace, private courtyard, attic and cellar. It's also in one of the most desirable locations in Italy, but you'll need a car to live here. It's about 20 minutes to Lucca and about an hour to Pisa, the Tyrrhenian coast and the nearest ski slopes. Florence is less than 2 hours away. If you'd like more information, a link to the full original listing can be found in the video notes below. Thanks for watching, and please let us know in the comments if this is a house you'd consider buying.